Hi, this is Brian with All American Eyeglass Repair. Here I have a set of Cartier glasses. These are the three-piece drill mount Cartiers, and they do not come with these diamond plaques on them. You have to get them put on there aftermarket. What we have here is this guy is called a temple here, and you have your hinge on there that's been broken. And as a result, this portion of the hinge where the temple sits onto the frame is also damaged as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these hinges and then weld new hinges in their place. Once we get this repaired, these diamond plaques will line up perfectly and these will be wearable again. Now the repair is complete and both hinges operate just as originally designed. These plaques line up perfectly and these frames are wearable. No one could ever tell a repair has been made. For more information, visit our website, AmericanEyeglassRepair.com, because you need to see now.